In this guide, we're going over the Axum Bacterial Culture Location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. We're going to go ahead and start over at the giant alien power plant, which is located about 1,800 meters east of the life pod. So go ahead and make your way here. This is going to be our reference point, and you need to make your way straight down, and you're going to see an angel comb located towards the very bottom of this. Make your way to that angel comb. Once you make your way to the angel comb itself, what you need to do is actually follow this giant route right here and go ahead and head northeast, kind of sticking close to the ground itself for the angel comb. After a little bit, you're going to see it's going to start curving a little bit more this way. Don't actually curve over to the right and just keep going straight. And as soon as you keep going straight, and keep in mind that's going to be through this location right here as well, go ahead and instead curve over to the left a little bit more, and you're going to see this like green little goo area. You need to make your way directly into that location. Now, I will say there is a Leviathan in this area. The collector Leviathan is just chilling over here. So I'd recommend staying a little bit lower to the ground in this area. As long as you're below about 440 meters, he'll just leave you alone. But you need to make your way inside of this actual goo. And inside of this little goo swamp area, simply get out of your vehicle, swim down, and you're going to see this stuff is located right here. As you can see, we can go ahead and scan this, or we could just break it as well, and that's the Axum Bacteria Culture. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.